Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Jasmine Nicole. If you're new, before we get started in today's video, I want to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and also make sure that you like and share my video. So today's video is going to be a evening and night routine. So I'm going to be starting off with my evening routine. I usually start my evenings right after I get off work, which is around 2:30, 3 o'clock. So I get prepared to get into carpool line to go pick McKenzie up from school. If you don't know, McKenzie is my daughter. So I usually go to the gym right after I pick McKenzie up, like on Tuesdays through Thursday. So I also have to put on my gym clothes, and I grab McKenzie's tablet and grab her a snack so she can be entertained while I'm in the gym. So that's basically what I'm doing in this clip. Okay, so here I am in the gym. My gym is not really crowded, which I love. So I go there after I pick McKenzie up. And I actually on Tuesdays I work on like my cardio, which I hate cardio, but I'm really proud of myself because I'm doing better. And then on Wednesdays I work on my lower body, and then on Thursdays I do upper body. I think I'm going to change Thursdays to just full body. So yeah, but this day happens to be Wednesday, so we're going to work on my lower body today. And so I'm doing some some bench pressing some squats out. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay, so after about 45 minutes in the gym, McKenzie and I head back home, and now it's time for me to figure out what we're going to eat for dinner, and also, prepare to take that out. This particular day, I was glad that I had some gumbo that my sister actually made that had been in the freezer for about a week, and I actually forgot about it until I thought about it earlier. So dinner was pretty simple this day, so I just took that out and just warmed it up on the stove, and that's what we had for dinner. But right now I'm asking McKenzie if she wants a snack, because my girl be hungry when she come from school. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fix her a corn dog while I prepare for dinner. And then yeah. Okay, so after I finish warming up McKenzie's corn dog, I usually go ahead and start her homework. My best practice is to make sure I get her homework out the way as soon as possible, so we won't have to worry about that. So right now I'm just looking through her folders to make sure we don't have to send anything to school the next day that I don't have to run out and go get from the store, and just preparing to do her homework. So I usually like to do her reading first, and then we jump into math, because math takes a little bit longer for her than reading. So that's what we're preparing to do. Okay, so now it's time to actually start the homework. I also use this time just to hang out with McKenzie, because we don't get to spend a whole bunch of time because I'm always working. So I do spend this time to help her with her homework, and then we can talk about anything that she wants to talk about. She's been doing really good with reading and math. I just have a problem with her. She sometimes, like, if she doesn't know the word, she'll try to guess it or just throw out a word instead of trying to sound it out. But other than that, she's been doing really, really well. She has all A's currently, and so we're working to keep those there. So yeah. So after I finished helping McKenzie with her homework, mind you, I just came from the gym, so I usually try to go into the shower before I start back working on my computer. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I actually this was my first time doing this, adding lavender to my shower, and it was magnificent. It smelled so good and so relaxing. So okay, so after I get out the shower, I'm going to go ahead and do my skincare. Today happens to be Wednesday, so I will be doing a mask. I do my mask on Fridays, Sundays, and Wednesdays. Of course, I'm going to go in with my Plant Skincare Aaron Charcoal Mask. I love this stuff. This is from my personal skincare line, and it does amazing things for my skin. It's formulated with African black soap, which has a bunch of benefits on its own, especially for pigmentation and just the overall texture of your skin. It also has activated charcoal, and then it also have kaolin clay as well. So yeah, make sure you visit www.plantskincare.com to check this out and purchase your face mask. Okay, so back in the kitchen I go. I know it's kind of awkward because it's daylight time and I'm in my robe with a mask on, but this is just my routine. I like to get everything out the way, so once I'm back off the clock, I can just go straight to bed. So right here, I'm just warming up that gumbo I told you guys about earlier. So that can be warming up while I get started on a computer. And McKenzie, since she's done with her homework, she can just, watch YouTube or whatever she likes to do in the evening time. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm back in the bathroom. So now I'm just gonna take off my mask after about 15 minutes. This mask does dry a little bit fast, and that's how you know when it's ready to take off, when it's dry. So I'm just going to take a warm towel or warm wet towel and just wipe it off my face. I usually just like to drench my face with water, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to just take it off with a warm towel, and it's a lot less messier this way as well. Okay, so after I finish wiping off that mess, now I'm going to go in with the rest of my skincare routine. And now I'm just going to apply my eye cream. You can purchase this eye cream at Plant Skincare as well. This is my baby. This is like the first product that I created for my line, and I love it. I use it twice a day. So you can see I'm placing it under my eyes and over my eyes as well, and it has helped tremendously with the appearance of my circles around my eyes. And lastly, I'm just gonna go in with my CeraVe. This is my night mask. I love this stuff. This is not available for purchase on my website because it's from a totally different company, but I do love this stuff. I love it so much that I actually have a subscription on Amazon. So every 3 months I'll be getting this sent to my house. That's how much I love it. It just has helped tremendously with especially with my texture on my skin, like, and leaving this on overnight, like, it helps a lot. So yeah, I will be adding something similar to this to my site soon, but until then I'm going to be using this. Okay guys, so this is the gumbo. I just put it over a bed of rice. It was so freaking delicious. We really enjoyed it. Okay, so now it's about 8:30, and I'm just now getting off the clock from doing some overtime. So now I use this time to clean up the kitchen because Mackenzie and I have already eaten or ate. So now it's time for me just to clean up the kitchen. I will be honest, I don't clean my kitchen every night. Some nights I'm like super duper tired and I just go ahead and go to bed, but that's usually like on the weekends. But during the week I make sure that my kitchen and everything is clean before I go to bed, because it's just gonna mess up my productivity the next day if I don't make sure that everything is neat and tidy, especially in my common areas. So yeah, that's why I just make sure that it's clean before I go to bed. But on the weekends it is what it is, okay? So after I finish cleaning the kitchen and I've sent Mackenzie off to bed, I go into my room and I prepare to go to bed myself. I don't do this every night, but when something is on my mind, I usually have to journal about it. So that's what I'm doing in this clip. I'm journaling, and my journaling style is basically like talking to God, and I just talk to him as if he's a person. I just let everything that's on my mind out on the paper. So this night I think I wrote about two pages. I think it was just 1 page. I'm not sure, but yeah, I just talk as if I'm talking to him and I let everything out. So okay, so after I finish writing in my journal, I read. Like I said, I don't do this every night, just when I feel inclined to read. And I'm reading what is it called? I'm reading A Woman's Influence by Sherry and Tony Gaskins. I follow him on YouTube, and I actually love his content. He's very insightful. So yeah, I'm reading his book, and yeah, it's very helpful. So okay, so after I finish reading, last but certainly not least, I have to say my prayers before I go to bed. Every night I try to actually get out the bed and get on my knees and pray. It's been a couple of times where I lay in bed and pray, but I don't like doing it. I actually like to get out of bed and show mercy and pray. I know I just finished talking to him in my journal, but I like to talk to him again right before I go to sleep. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this evening / nighttime routine. And yeah, this is as real as it gets. I do majority of this stuff every day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.